Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make oatmeal and banana pancakes. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 ripe banana, 1 cup of rolled oats, and 2 large eggs. For the liquid, grab 1/2 cup of milk, and for leavening, 1 teaspoon of baking powder. Don't forget a small pinch of salt and about 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract to add a lovely aroma and taste to your delicious breakfast. Now let's get mixing. Start by mashing your ripe banana in a medium bowl until it's nice and smooth. Next, whisk in the 2 eggs, 1/2 cup of milk, and 1/2 teaspoon of vanilla extract until well combined. In a separate bowl, mix together the 1 cup of rolled oats, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and a pinch of salt. Gently fold the dry ingredients into the wet mixture, being careful not to overmix. A few lumps are perfectly fine. It's time to cook these delicious pancakes. Heat a non-stick griddle or pan over medium-low heat. Lightly grease it with a little butter or cooking spray. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake onto the pan. Cook for approximately 2 to 3 minutes per side, or until you see small bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Flip them carefully and cook for another 2 minutes until golden brown. Your oatmeal banana pancakes are ready to be enjoyed. Serve them warm right off the griddle. They are fantastic on their own, but you can elevate them with your favorite toppings. Consider fresh berries, extra banana slices, or a generous drizzle of pure maple syrup or honey. A sprinkle of cinnamon also adds a lovely touch. These wholesome pancakes are a perfect, nutritious start to any day, offering a delightful blend of flavors and textures.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.